What's up, everyone? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. I am chilling. I am not feeling life today, though. And when I say that, just like it's overcast outside. I live in Southern California. We don't get overcast very often. And when we do, it messes with my mood. So I'm still in my pajamas. Don't want to do anything today. Don't want to function. But here we are. For people that like the option setups, I've got some for you. Really quick recap of Friday. I was bearish on everything, but I had also mentioned, if we break above a level retest, that would be where you want to get in long. I wouldn't anticipate that people would have caught this, but if you did, that would be a great spot to be long. If you didn't get this retest was your next great spot to be in long. That's it for SPY. It was fairly choppy, though. I think I said I was going to erase my entire chart today. Right now, I'm feeling very sad. I actually don't know that I have the energy to do that today. Yeah, I think I'm going to chill on that for right now. So let's quickly look at options. First one I have is Airbnb. Below 124.80, grab puts. First trim 123.80 or 98, sorry. Second trim 123.34. Third trim 122.39, and then close at 121 and 9 cents. This is going to be a day trade, and they're probably wanting to come somewhere around here. Just a heads up. Next one that I have is going to be Shop. I left old drawings on here just for the fun of it, but as you can see, previously I said we were going to do this. This was my sell level, and worked out pretty well. Right. Right now, we're basically doing the same thing. Just be aware there's earnings on Thursday, so contracts might be a little bit inflated, but we're looking for puts below 98.35. First trim 97.06. Second trim 95.84. Third trim 94.28. And then close at 93.24. We took a long on ES. I was still waiting for 89, 689, but yeah. Alrighty, let's chart up SPY. Excuse me. I am confused. Where's my previous week? Valeria high and low. There's the low. I'm going to get rid of this poor low. You guys correct me if I'm wrong. I don't see a previous week value area high anywhere. Pretty confused. All right, maybe I accidentally deleted it. Let me make a new one. All right, and 30-minute TPO. Pretty boring chart. Let's look at. Let's zoom out. Weekly candle on SPY. Decreasing volume as we approach a pretty key level, the 568 level. We are above the 2024 value area high, which is fairly bullish. But also if we look at ES, we are just barely above the 2024 value area high. And I think there's a chance we get a bounce off of it right now and then lose it and go lower. But we will see. But so far on the weekly, things look bullish. Daily, indecision candle that again tapped this key level and then sold off from it. Decreasing volume. Things are looking bearish. I would expect them to go down and possibly bounce off of the 2024 value area high. $602. I don't like using ashy candles, but to each their own. I mean, basically, ashy candles just smooth out price action, but you don't get like the actual price. I don't really know how to explain what I'm saying, but like, let's just say SPY is down here, but your ashy candles will say price is up here, and I don't like that. I like to be able to see the actual price that we're trading at. I do use ashy candles for some very specific purposes, but there's no point in me explaining it because it won't apply to anything that you guys are doing. Yeah, but basically I use ashy candles when I'm looking for Elliott waves, But other than that, I don't use them. I don't use them to trade with. I don't use them for anything other than looking for Elliott waves. Alrighty. So overall, for tomorrow, I'm bearish, but we just have to kind of see how things play out. On SPY, I would want to be in puts here. Hopefully they give it to us. Everything that I saw in Elliott waves was bearish. So if you'll notice, like both of the trades that I shared for tomorrow for why can't I English, for option setups are to the downside. And so I'm expecting some selling off tomorrow. You could watch for calls here. They actually might, like there's a chance they might just bounce here. Just a heads up, so keep that range in mind if you're looking for calls. And I doubt they'll do this tomorrow, but pretty sure we'll be bouncing here. Just a heads up. I think I'm seeing like more and more bearish type news. I could be wrong, but from what I've seen, things are looking pretty bearish overall. And I think we're going to get a reversal eventually to the downside and sell off again. Maybe worse than the first time. We just have to wait and see how things play out. But this is really what I'm interested in for tomorrow. And then shop and Airbnb. Let me just look through chat really quick. What's up, GG? What's up, Corey? What's up, Shelly? What's up, Jack? Yeah, no, I'm not doing a 3.1 hour video. What's up? Why not? Who's hating? Sequendolin. Hopefully I said your name right. Cool name, by the way. You have the pool out? Cali weather is the best. Am I living in the wrong place right now? Because right now it's 56 degrees and cloudy where I live. Maybe just my part of California is not happy right now. That's a bummer. I'm blowing your account. What's up, Elite Mark? What's up, Sabrina? What's up, 602? What's up, Victor? What's up, Marcos? 60 or 70 in Houston. I wish it was here. Mark, extended trading hours, except for TPO, you chart on regular trading hours. What's up, Aloni? Let's look at news really quick, see what we got going on. "30 minutes after open, ISM services PMI. we'll get a big move off this. FOMC on Wednesday. So we're probably going to have a fairly slow, choppy week until FOMC. Yep. Don't be looking for massive moves the next couple of days. What's up, Sleazy? Would it be worth selling your SPY shares? I don't feel comfortable answering that. Things are so news driven right now, like really anything could happen. But I'm pretty sure Jim Cramer just said we're not having a recession, right? Trying to find it. Oh, here. Just in, Jim Cramer said there will not be a recession May 2nd. So, pretty sure we're having a recession. Dude does not miss on being wrong. So, yeah. Yeah, so Sleazy, I didn't say this, but if you have over 100 shares, I would just sell covered calls. But that's me. I'm not going to tell you to sell your shares. You're really just like gambling at that point. Like you're better off, it also depends on your age and retirement age and all of that stuff. If you've got a long time before retirement, you hold them, they're going to be worth way more than they are today. So, exactly, Big P. So, if you had asked me, whatever it was, if you would ask me here, I would say sell them. But right now, the market's just insane. Like, everything is so news driven. It's really wild. So, this isn't a time where I would be super confident selling everything. I did say the levels, but what I can do is save it. Where is it? Here's a link to my chart. And then you can zoom in and look at whatever levels you want. Tell Free you said hi. Yeah, Sleazy, I would just sit on it. SPY's not going anywhere. All right, everybody. I think I'm just going to screenshot this and post it in Keenan's. And then right now, if you guys have any questions, now would be the time to ask, because we are basically done. Exactly, Drew. Um, Jack, I already looked at Apple. I didn't see anything that I like. So I feel like I talk about that pretty often. Like big tickers like that, there's no point in asking because I've already checked. This looks pretty ugly. They should be bouncing here. If not, through here. But this doesn't look very pretty. Hey, what's up, Alan? All right, everybody. Sorry. I don't know why I can't think. So, we'll be. Well, for people in Shorties, I'll be live trading tomorrow. Keenan's, I will do my best to try to call things out as I see them. The issue is I don't type very fast. And then we'll be live tomorrow. We'll go over, again, what we're watching for on SPY. And see if we don't see some more option setups. All right. Hope everybody has a good rest of their weekend. And I hope you guys have a good day trading tomorrow. As always, huge thanks to all the subscribers. Extra big thanks to the friends of the stream. And much love to everybody. Peace out. Y'all have a good rest of your weekend. Bye.